Unboxing of baby shit. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out. Nestle, good looking. Oh, what is that? Baby bag?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Got a Nestle baby bag. Nice color, black on blue, blue and black.
My sister's diaper on.
Diaper changing pad.
Here. We got two things. This one
Most of the
and
things
this
is
one.
good. Nestle Good Start Bond Depart. My accent probably sucks, but whatever. Omega 3 and 6 dietary fiber. Easy to digest.
And I think that's it. This is nice.
Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Needle Yank
Is that for him?
Moisturizing Lotion. Yeah, but I ain't gonna try to fuck with
That's nice.
this. Good looking, man. Appreciate it.
And I don't know what this is. What's
First meeting
formula?
just around there. You got formula, baby formula?
Yes, sir.
First bottle of baby or first can of baby formula. Nestle Good Start. Our best for babies nutrition. Probiotic. Omega 3 easy to digest. Good job. See ya.